Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking ayamase. So I'm going to be taking you guys through how I make my ayamase and all of the ingredients I use, the method I use, in cooking my ayamase. So guys, don't forget to to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I hope you will enjoy this video. So stay tuned. What's up in your area? We could talk about that when we did. I know you say no cooking, but then you wake up on your bed. For me, you come on to go. Can afford to miss it, the good vibe. But that's not a big guy. Everybody to me, set the table, got the family, make we gather, make we jump. Okay, 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 okay. So many times I did wonder, waiting to make it the food right. Give me the bully and fish, pour me some wine, make a step down. I knew so no cooking job, but then you wake up on your bed. For me, you come on to go. Can afford to miss it, the good vibe. But that's not a big guy. Set the table, got the family, make we gather, make we jump. One judge, I just can't far about the catcher, my lucky you. Language, but will let you see you lay it to you to watch upon the loud. Come and get some good recipe. It's very easy, stop stressing it. What's up in your area? We could talk about that when we did. I know you say no cooking, but then you wake up on your bed. For me, you come on to go. Can afford to miss it, the good vibe. Set the table, got the family, make we gather, make we jump. Bad man breeze. Okay, 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 okay. So many times I did wonder, waiting to make it the food right. Give me the bully and fish, pour me some wine, make a step down. I knew so no cooking job, but then you wake up on your bed. For me, you come on to go. Can afford to miss it, the good vibe. But that's not a big guy. Everybody to me, set the table, got the family, make we gather, make we jump. One judge, I just can't far about the catcher, my lucky you. Language, but will let you see you lay it to you to watch upon the loud. Come and get some good recipe. It's very easy, stop stressing it. What's up in your area? We could talk about that when we did. I know you say no cooking, but then you wake up on your bed. For me, you come on to go. Can afford to miss it, the good vibe. But that's not a big guy. Everybody to me, set the table, got the family, make we gather, make we jump. Okay, okay, okay. So many times I did wonder, waiting to make it the food right. Give me the bully and fish, pour me some wine, make a step down. I knew so no cooking job, but then you wake up on your bed. For me, you come on to go. Can afford to miss it, the good vibe. But that's not a big guy. Everybody to me, set the table, got the family, make we gather, make we jump. One judge, I just can't far about the catcher, my lucky you. Language, but will let you see you lay it to you to watch upon the loud. Come and get some good recipe. It's very easy, stop stressing it. What's up in your area? We could talk about that when we did. I know you say no cooking, but then you wake up on your bed. For me, you come on to go. Can afford to miss it, the good vibe. But that's not a big guy. Everybody to So many times I dey wonder, waiting they make it the food right. Give me the bully and fish. Pour me some wine, make I step down. Bandi mo se mo cooking jet. Bale when you back on top your bed. For me ni pa mo to mo pa. Can afford to miss it the good vibe. Banga simpatica iko. Every return set the table, call the family, make we. Okay guys, so I've come to the end of the video now. As you can see how my ayamase looks like, and if you notice there is rice. This is traditional rice, they call it Ofada rice, so it really goes down well with Ofada rice if you have one, but if you don't, you can as well have it with normal rice. So so this is my outcome of ayamase. So guys, if you would do yours differently, let me know in the comment section below so that I can learn as well from you guys. And yeah, remember, cooking is being creative, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share my video. Thank you. Bye bye.